we have seen offline, that is determinant and matrices. In that one, we have seen the chapter or topic of determinants. So we continue that topic, determinants in that one. So see here now what I have done. So let us start the topic, determinants. So as we know that determinant, this chapter is already done in standard 10. Only the difference is that it is a determinant of order 2 is there, and in standard 11th it is a determinant of order 3 is there. Only difference between them is only this one. So as we know that this one are said to be the vertical bars. This one A, B, C, D. So this is an arrangement of 4 numbers which are arranged in the vertical bars is said to be the determinant of order 2. है ना? कोई भी 4 नंबर्स यदि कोई वर्टिकल बार्स ऐसे दो उसमें रखेंगे -1, 2, 3, 4 तो इसे बोलेंगे determinant of order 2. Order 2 है because in that one if you observe this one, ये है R1 row 1, this one is the row, ये है R2 दूसरी row, second row, it is column 1 and it is our column 2. As there are 2 rows and 2 columns, so because of that it is said to be the determinant of order 2 is there. Okay, जैसे कि for example ये determinant 2 minus 1 4 3. So what we can say that here 2 minus 1 is present in R1 and 4 3 is present in R2, and this one is nothing but it is column 1 and is nothing but column 2. So number of rows and columns decide the order of determinant. This one, as there are 2 rows, 2 columns, it is the determinant of order 2. So this is already done in standard 10. Now you see the expansion of that one. How to expand? So expansion is very clear. If there is a determinant A, B, C, D is there, what is the formula to expand? It is very simple. AD minus BC. This is the formula. This is the formula to expand that one. For example, there is a numbers 2, 3, minus 4, 1 is there. So how to expand this one? AD minus BC. 2 into 1, 2. AD, A into D. Formula का minus. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. Minus minus become plus 12. 12 plus 4, 12 plus 2, it is equal to 40. This is the second one. It is an example that you have done already in standard 10th. Now, today we started the topic determinant in which 11th standard, portion of 11th standard, CN. First comes the definition. What is the definition of determinant of order 3? So CN. Determinant is denoted by either D or delta, whatever may be. So suppose there is a determinant, this one, you have taken the numbers A, B, C, H, G, F, or we can take in here something like A, B, C, H, G, F, H, G, F. This one. So if we observe how many rows are there, it is our first row. It is R1. It is our second row, R2. It is our third row, R3. It is our column 1. It is our column 2. It is our column 3. So how many rows and columns are there? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is called as the determinant of order 3. Okay. It is called as the determinant of order 3 is there. So definition is very clear. The arrangement of how many numbers? 9 numbers. The arrangement of 9 numbers which are arranged in how many arranged? Which are arranged in the form of rows and columns and enclosed within 2 vertical bars is called as the determinant of order 3. Okay. 9 नंबर की अरेंजमेंट जो कि रो और कॉलम के फॉर्म में अरेंज किए हुए हैं सबके सब एलिमेंट, all the elements moment. Yes, this one. All the elements are enclosed within the vertical bars is said to be the determinant of order 3. Now, we see the important thing is that expansion. Once you understand the expansion, I think there is a half portion of paper 1 in standard 12. We already done that one. एक बार अगर से डिटरमिनेंट आ गया तो स्टैंडर्ड 12 का आधा पोर्शन उस पे ही डिटरमिनेंट है. एक्सपांशन ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो वो अपने को वेक्टर चैप्टर में लगेगा, लाइन में लगेगा, प्लेन में लगेगा, मैट्रिसेस में लगेगा. तकरीबन चैप्टर्स में पेपर 1 के डिटरमिनेंट का यूज है. So because of that, it is a very important portion. So how to expand the determinant of order 3? ठीक है, तो see now expansion. So expansion is very clear. Expansion of determinant of order 3 is there. तो कैसे expand करेंगे? कोई भी एग्जांपल लेंगे अपन बुक में से या इसमें से. देखो फॉर एग्जांपल उठाया अपन ने. There is a one determinant given to us. Determinant nothing but 3. सबसे पहले टेक्स्ट बुक ले लो सब 11 स्टैंडर्ड के दोनों में पेपर 1 पेपर 2. हाउ टू स्टार्ट दैट वन? सबसे पहले बोर्ड का पोर्शन होगा. लैंग्वेज का प्रॉब्लम में इंग्लिश, मराठी, उर्दू हर लैंग्वेज में बोल सकते हैं अपन. तो सबसे पहले बोर्ड का पोर्शन, बोर्ड के एग्जांपल्स. देन आफ्टरवर्ड वी हैव कंटिन्यू JE and CET part of that one. Okay, it is a procedure, is a method of taking that one. So, what take an example? 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 and then 2 3 1. It is example given to us. Suppose, and we have to expand that one. So, how to expand that one? Very simple one. You know that it is a R1, it is a R2, it is a R3. Row 1, row 2, row 3. It is a column 1, column 2, column 3. So how to expand that one? Very simple one. First element 3 as it is. Now then afterward, eliminating the column and the row of this one. What is the procedure here now? 1 minute. How to expand that one? Eliminating the column and the row. On your first column, first row, eliminating, and write the remaining elements. 1 minus 2 3 1. Now it becomes determinant of order 2. Okay, so first element find, then we find the second element. So there is a rule here. There is the first element plus second element minus by rule, but element is also minus, so it is minus 4 as it is. Then here expansion. Now we have to expand this one. So what is the procedure? Eliminating C2, eliminating R1. Which elements remaining? 1 minus 2 2 and 1. Yeah. कॉलम 2 के एलिमेंट को ये एलिमेंट क्या निकालेगा? इसके नीचे के पूरे एलिमेंट्स और इसके बाजू के पूरे एलिमेंट्स छोड़ के 1 minus 2 2 1. Then by rule third element is plus. There is a 5 is there. Same. अब तीसरे एलिमेंट का निकालेंगे this one. So what is the procedure? Eliminating the column, eliminating the row. So what are the elements remaining? Only 1 1 2 3 is there. Now CNO 3 AD minus BC 1 into 1 1 formula का minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus minus becomes plus 6 minus minus plus 4. Then 1 into 1 1 formula का minus 2 into minus 2 minus 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 become plus. Then plus 5 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into 1 2. So what is the answer? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 21. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 20. 3 1 1 plus 5. What is the answer now? Answer is nothing but, yes, tell me the answer, final. That is equal to 21, 20. How much? 21 plus 20. What is the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. Then 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. 46. That is the answer. I hope you got that one. It is very important. This expansion covers maximum 12th portion, first part. Okay. If you understand, very simple one. एक बार देख लो हिंदी में, देखो अब देखो फॉर एग्जांपल कभी ऐसा आ गया, समझो ये एलिमेंट प्लस और एलिमेंट माइनस, तो रूल क्या है? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज प्लस, सेकंड एलिमेंट माइनस, so it is minus 4 only. By rule there is a plus but element is minus, so minus 5 is there. Afterward plus minus become the minus, this is the minus this. समझा क्या? Got it? What I am telling here? See now, कभी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं है कि समझो तीनों भी माइनस है, so how to expand? By rule first element is plus but it is minus, so it is a minus 3. Same here. See now, we have to expand this one. Suppose this is a determinant given to us. By rule, how to solve the determinant? There is a one rule. The elements taken in this manner. First element plus, second element minus alternately, and third element is a plus. But the numbers of this type minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then what about this rule? ये रूल को क्या करेंगे? तो इसे लिखेंगे, देखो कैसा? By rule there is a plus sign, but element is minus 3, so it is become minus 3. So plus minus is a minus 3. By rule second element is minus, but element is again minus, so it is a minus 4. By rule third element is plus, but element is minus, so we have taken here plus and this minus 5 that is. Then how to solve that one? Very simple one. Plus minus minus 3 remains as it is. 1 into 1 1. Formula का minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, it becomes the plus 6. Minus minus become plus 4. 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus minus become plus 4. Plus minus minus 5. 3 minus 2. Then you can solve very easily. 6 plus 1 7. It is a 21. Plus 4 plus 1 5. It is a 20. 3 plus 2 is 5. So our answer will be 21 plus 20. 41. 41 में से 5 गया. कितना? 41 minus 5. That is 36. That is the answer. So it is the rule. If there is a minus minus term, rule doesn't change. Rule में कोई बदल नहीं रहेगा. Rule वही रहेगा. पहला एलिमेंट प्लस मगर एलिमेंट माइनस. Second element minus but element minus. Third element is plus but element is minus. So rule remains as it is. No change in that rule. So what is the procedure of taking the rule? First element plus, second element minus, third element plus. And how to take that one? For finding the first element, eliminating the column 1, eliminating the row 1. Elements given 1 minus 2 3 1. Second, by rule minus element minus 4. What is the procedure? Very simple one. Eliminating the column, eliminating the row. 1 minus 2 2 1. This one. Then third element is a plus. By rule plus, third element is a minus 5. What is the procedure? Same. Eliminating the column, eliminating the row. 1 1 2 3. 1 1 2 3. Then you can solve it easily. It becomes AD minus BC, AD minus BC, and then AD minus BC. By using the AD minus BC, you can solve very easily. Okay, so let us start now. The next problems of that one. So the next question is that 1 minute. So next question is that find the value of the determinant. Determinant something like to be A H, yes, A B C H G F H G F. We have to evaluate that determinant. Second question from that exercise 4.1. Expansion of determinant of order 3 का दूसरा question. See and know how to expand. Very simple. So first we are saying here, let it is a determinant D. We started from this one. Then it is our D. So how to expand? Very simple. First element A. Eliminating column, eliminating row. D, F, F, C. By rule, first element plus, second element minus. H. It is my H. It is again H. H. What happens now? Then here, same. Eliminating the column, eliminating the row. H, F, G, C. Then third element is plus G. Same, eliminating the column, eliminating the row. H, B, G, F. Here A, B, F, F, C minus H, H, F, G, C plus G, H, D, G, F. Let us solve it. A, B, C minus F square minus H, H, C or C, H minus G, F. Okay, A, B minus B, C plus G, then H, F minus B, G. Okay, so whatever now after solving A multiply minus AF square minus CH into H, CH square. This minus become plus. It is HGF plus GHF or HGF. Both are the same one. HGF minus BG into G, BG square. So we can write here ABC. See now, 1 HGF, 1 HGF. That is 2 HGF. Then remaining will is minus AF square minus BG square, this one, and then minus CH square. So it is the answer of next question. There is a question number 2 from exercise. Very simple one. Once you know how to expand the determinant of order 3, you can solve number of questions in that one. Okay, so very simple and very interesting chapter is there. But it is important as far as J is concerned. One question compulsory asked in J determinant and matrices. Not in determinant mostly, but matrices it is important. Okay, it is a question. और सेम क्वेश्चन इट इज आस्क्ड इन दिस मैनर। यही क्वेश्चन को दूसरे मेथड से भी पूछ सकता हूं। कैसा कि प्रूव दैट, इसको प्रूव करो। कैसे प्रूव करो? इट इज इक्वल टू abc प्लस 2hgf माइनस ab स्क्वायर माइनस ch स्क्वायर bg स्क्वायर माइनस ch स्क्वायर। सेकंड वे से ऐसे भी हो सकता है एग्जाम में, you prove that this determinant is called on same method. You have taken LHS and showing that RHS. Very simple one. Very simple. So we proceed to the further part of that one. So let's start now the further part, further portion. Now the next question is that on behalf of that. Okay, is this completed? So see now. Next question is something like to be. There is no need to write this one. I will give the recording of this lecture, online lecture, to our WhatsApp group. So you only understand this one. इसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इसका ऑनलाइन लेक्चर जो भी है उसके रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है वो अपने ग्रुप पे भेज दिया जाएगा. उस टाइम पे आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, तो सी नाउ. Next question is that find the value of x. ये क्वेश्चन को कैसे पूछा? Find the value of x, comma if. Question is something like doing determinant x 1 2 minus 1 2x then 1 minus 3 3 minus 4 5 that is equal to 29. That is answer. And we are interested to find out the value of x. Same question asked in different manner. This is the question asked here, but it is asked in different manner. So how to solve that one? Very simple one. See here now. Same expansion. X. Now what are the elements? 1 minus 3 minus 4 5. Okay. Second element minus by rule. By rule minus, but second element is a minus 1. Then again, eliminating the column, eliminating the row. What are the elements? 2x minus 3, 3, 5. Third element plus 2. Plus 2 again. 2x 1, 3 minus 4 equal to 0. So let's solve it. X. 5 formula का minus 1 will become plus 12. Minus become plus 1. 10x minus 3 into 3 minus 9 becomes the plus 9 plus 2, then minus 4 into 2 minus 8x formula का minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, got it? This one, this is the first element x. Then 1 minus 3 minus 4 5 is there. Second element minus, this minus 2x minus 3 3 5 is there. Third element plus 2, then 2x 1 3 minus 4 is there. Okay, now see now. 5 minus 12 minus 7 minus 7x. Then plus 10x plus 9 minus 16x plus 6 or plus minus 6 equal to 0. So what happens now here? Very simple one. Minus 7x minus 16x minus 7x minus 16x minus 25x minus 25x plus 10x minus 25x plus 10x, and that is equal to, I think it is given as 29 is there. Okay, not a 0, that is equal to 29. So let us solve it. Elements are very clear. X minus 1 2, 2x 1 minus 3 3 minus 4 5 is there. So what happens now here? It is nothing but minus 7x minus 16x. Yes, यहाँ पे 10x में से 7x गया, 3x 3 में से 16 गया, कितना? minus 13x है ना? minus 7x minus 16x. ऐसे भी कर सकते 16 साथ 23 में से 10 minus 13x और ये 9 see now this is 29 comes to that side minus 29 equal to 0. तो इतना है 9 में से 6 गया 3 minus 29 minus 26 equal to 0. So it becomes minus 13x is equal to 26. So what is the answer here? Therefore x is equal to minus 2. That is the answer. I hope you got that one. The value of x is nothing but it is equal to minus 2. That is the answer. Same question but asked in different manner. है ना? In previous question it is asked evaluate. Now it is asked find the value of x. What is the procedure? See, only you have to expand the determinant. There is a 29 to this side, comes to that side minus 29, that is equal to 0, and after solving x is equal to minus 2. Here's the question. Very simple questions there. I hope you got that one. So we'll proceed to the next part of that one, next question. Okay. So we'll proceed to the next question. Very simple questions are there. So see here now. What is the question? Question is that same type of question asked here. The question is that find x and y. Find x and y. Find x and y if determinant is given to us 4i, then I cube, 2i, then 1, 3i square, 4, 5 minus 3i is equal to x plus iy. This one. And condition is given that where I square is equal to minus 1. Where I square is equal to minus 1. This is the question given to us. So you can solve very easily. You have to find out the values of x and y. See here now. So important thing is that here, what is this by I? So I is nothing but I is said to be the imaginary number. The value of I is nothing but root minus 1, and then I square is equal to minus 1. It is already given the value I square is equal to minus 1. So I means what? It is an imaginary number. So I is equal to under root of minus 1. That is the value squaring. I square is equal to minus 1. Remember here. And this is nothing but x plus iy. It is said to be the complex number. This one is said to be the complex number. Complex number means there is one chapter in that one, complex number, that we have seen in detail in the paper 2. So before going to that one, complex number means it is the sum of the real part. Means x, imaginary part means i1. देखो ये दो पार्ट के एडिशन है, एक रियल पार्ट जिसको i नहीं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो ये रियल पार्ट, और जिसको i मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कौन सा पार्ट, इमेजिनरी पार्ट, और दोनों मिला के रियल प्लस इमेजिनरी इज सेड टू बी द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ओके, तो i की शुरुआत कैसे आया? जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये इक्वेशन है x स्क्वायर प्लस 4 equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 4. It is not possible because the square of any real number that is equal to the minus 4 और x belongs to r. जैसे कि x के प्लेस पे minus 2 रखें, 2 रखें, 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस से आता क्या? नहीं, और माइनस 2 का भी स्क्वायर रखें तो प्लस 4. So x square is not equal to this one minus 4. कोई भी टर्म का स्क्वायर माइनस में नहीं आता. To overcome this problem, we introduce a number, imaginary number. Okay, ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए नया नंबर वाला मतलब इमेजिनरी नंबर. अब इसकी एक्सटेरियर निकालने का है, तो इसका आंसर क्या हो गया? प्लस और माइनस 4i और प्लस और माइनस 2i. कैसा? देखो, अब एक्सटेरियर को प्लस 2i का स्क्वायर रखो तो क्या मिलता है? देखो, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 और i का स्क्वायर i स्क्वायर. तो i स्क्वायर की वैल्यू कितनी? -1. तो ये कितना आ गया? -4. -1 into 4 -4. अब देखो -2i का स्क्वायर रखेंगे तो ये माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर 4, अगेन i स्क्वायर, इट बिकम्स -4. तो ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन पे सॉल्व करने के लिए है ना, ऐसे सब क्वेश्चन x स्क्वायर प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 0, तो x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -9, ऐसा पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन रियल नंबर्स. रियल नंबर मध्ये पॉसिबल नाही. To overcome this problem, we introduce another number that is called as an imaginary number. ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए नया क्वेश्चन आया, नया नंबर आया, वो मतलब कौन सा? इमेजिनरी नंबर. नंबर सिस्टम का अगर से मालूम है तो देखो, नंबर सिस्टम सबको मालूम है. नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, रैशनल, इरेशनल, ये सब क्या में आते हैं? और दैट बिलोंग्स टू द रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर के आगे कौन से नंबर रहते हैं? इमेजिनरी नंबर. क्योंकि ये टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को रियल नंबर में सॉल्व नहीं होते हैं. तो ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम वी इंट्रोड्यूस इमेजिनरी नंबर. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन बोलो. क्या सॉल्यूशन? x इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 3i. प्लस 3i का स्क्वायर माइनस 9 और माइनस 3i का स्क्वायर भी माइनस 9. तो ये है इमेजिनरी नंबर. शॉर्ट में बताया, डिटेल में देखेंगे अपन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में. अभी शॉर्ट में बताया कि देखो, तो ये वैल्यू i स्क्वायर माइनस 1. अब देखो, अब देखो यहाँ पे यदि i स्क्वायर माइनस 1 है तो i क्यूब कितना है? इसमें i क्यूब भी है. तो i क्यूब के लिए कैसे करेंगे? i स्क्वायर इंटू i क्यूब. दोनों का बेस सेम, पावर के एडिशन. 2 + 1 इज नथिंग बट 3. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ i स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इंटू i? मतलब कितना आ गया? माइनस i. तो जब भी i क्यूब आएगा वैल्यू क्या रखेंगे? माइनस i. i रेज़ टू 4 की वैल्यू कितना? i स्क्वायर इंटू i स्क्वायर. दोनों का बेस सेम, पावर के एडिशन. 2 + 2 4 माइनस 1 एवरीथिंग बट प्लस 1. तो इस तरीके से i का कोई भी पावर निकाल सकते हैं. i रेज़ टू 5 में क्या कॉमन रहेगा? i स्क्वायर और i का पावर 3. तो बोलो क्या आ गया? दोनों का बेस सेम, पावर के एडिशन. 3 और 2 5. ये हो गया माइनस 1 इंटू i क्यूब. और i क्यूब की वैल्यू मालूम है, i क्यूब मतलब कितना है? माइनस i. तो क्या मिला? प्लस i. So it is a method of finding the value. I square minus 1, I raised to 4, or sorry, I cube minus I raised to 4 plus 1, I raised to 5, I. देखो क्या बता रहा मैं, यहाँ पे देखो I square minus 1. ये important है. इसके बाद तो determinant सबको solve करके आएगा, है ना? What is the method of taking that one? देखो पहले values देख लो. I square minus 1, I cube कैसे बताया? I square into I. तो I square मतलब minus 1 into I minus I. I raised to 4, I square मतलब minus 1 plus 1 I raised to 5, I square I cube. I square कितना है? minus 1 I cube minus I it becomes plus I. I raised to 6, I raised to 4, I raised to 6 minus 1 और I raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1. क्या important है मालूम है इसमें? बघा, the square of I is nothing but minus 1. The 4th power of I is nothing but 1. The 6th power of I is nothing but minus 1. मतलब I का पावर even में है. Alternately we got here minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 मतलब क्या? I square minus 1 तो I raised to 4 plus 1 even number. I raised to 6 alternately minus 1. I raised to 8 plus 1. I raised to 10 minus 1. Like that. And suppose this one odd power I raised to 3 minus I. I raised to 3 minus I. I raised to 5 is plus I. Alternately I raised to 7 odd power 3 5 7 minus I. I raised to 9 plus I. Alternately minus I plus I for odd powers. For odd powers minus I plus I minus I plus I. For even powers minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is the method. Now how to expand? Very simple. 4i 3i square 4 then minus 3i second element minus I cube minus I cube then 1 4 5 8. So it is the last example today. Tomorrow we will continue on that one. आज पहले लेक्चर है इसलिए थोड़ा 2-3 एग्जांपल्स कल से हम थोड़ा बढ़ाते जाएंगे टाइम अपना. plus 2i same procedure 1 3i square 5u minus 3 is equal to x plus i1 बस अब वैल्यूज सबको मालूम है उसके हिसाब से वैल्यूज रखे था उसमें जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये 4i एज इट इज पहले वैल्यूज रखो i स्क्वायर की वैल्यू भी बताया i स्क्वायर माइनस 1 i क्यूब माइनस i ये दो इंपॉर्टेंट है एक बार ये दो मालूम है तो निकाल सकते हो पर i स्क्वायर माइनस 1 i रेज़ टू 4 प्लस 1 i रेज़ टू 6 माइनस 1 अल्टरनेट सो यहाँ पे i स्क्वायर कितना माइनस 1 तो कितना मिला माइनस 3 4 I cube minus I. So this minus 1 will become plus I.